Stop scrolling. If you want the strongest, most secure solution for full mouth tooth replacement, this video about All-on-8 dental implants is a must-watch. In the USA and Canada, patients seeking maximum stability, durability, and long-term oral health are increasingly turning to All-on-8 for full jaw restoration. So, what makes All-on-8 special? Unlike All-on-4 or All-on-6, this method uses 8 strategically placed titanium implants to anchor a complete arch of replacement teeth. This maximum fixation system distributes chewing forces evenly across the jaw, ensuring unmatched strength, stability, and longevity. It's often recommended for patients with good bone volume who want the most durable, permanent solution available. All-on-8 implants provide excellent chewing efficiency, natural aesthetics, and long-lasting support, making them ideal for patients who want a permanent, fixed dental solution. This method also helps preserve jawbone, prevent bone loss, and maintain facial structure, giving you a confident smile that lasts for decades. Why consider All-on-8? 8 implants for ultimate stability and strength, recommended for patients with sufficient bone volume. Maximum long-term durability compared to All-on-4 or All-on-6. Fixed, permanent solution for full mouth tooth replacement. Restores function, aesthetics, and confidence. If you find this information helpful, make sure to subscribe for more expert dental guidance, 3D animations, and implant education. Leave a comment below sharing your dental journey or experience with implants, and share this video with a friend considering full mouth restoration. It could completely change their life and smile. In the USA and Canada, All-on-8 dental implants represent the gold standard for maximum stability and long-term oral health. For those seeking the strongest, most secure, and reliable solution, All-on-8 is unmatched. Take the first step toward a confident, permanent smile today.